Hola amigos, today we are going to learn numbers 16 to 100. 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20, 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30, 31 31, 32, and so on. We just follow the pattern. 40 40, same with 31, like 41. 41 is 41 42, we just follow the pattern. 50 50, 51 is 51 52, and so on, just follow the pattern. 60 60, 61 61, 62, 63, we just follow the pattern. 70 70, 71 72, we just follow the pattern. 80 80, 81 82, just follow the pattern. 90 90, 91 92, we just follow the pattern, and then we can see 100, we say 100. Gracias.